Hello everybody, good night. Today I want to talk about the five natural wonders of Colombia, my country. Uh, Today I want to talk of wonders, natural wonders of my country because I think that in Colombia we have a most important biodiversity in the world. So let's begin. The first is the Caño Cristales River. This river, located in the Serranía de la Macarena in the Meta department, is called the River of Five Colors because in some body or in certain months in the years you can see many colors in the river. For example, many people say that see the blue color, the pink color, the green color, and this look a very good for the touristic in the region. The second is the Tayrona National Park on the Caribbean coast in my country. This park combines white sand beaches, turquoise water, and mountains covered with a tropical forest. It is not only a paradise for the tourists. Look in the local people, indigenous people, in the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. The third is the Amazon rainforest in the south of Colombia. It's one of the richest ecosystems on the planet. It is the home of thousands and thousands of animals and plant species, some that not exist anywhere in the world. Visit the Amazon is a magical experience where you can connect the play with the nature and learn about the traditional of local communities. The fourth, there is the Chicamocha Canyon. Located in Santander, Colombia, is one of the largest canyons in the world, even bigger than the famous Colorado Canyon in some parts. The views are breathtaking and it is a perfect place for adventures and paragliding, cable or car rides. It's a good experience. Finally, the Nevado del Ruiz volcano uh, for the is a part of the Andes in South America. Represent the beauty and power of nature, covered with snow on the top, on the climb, in an offer amazing landscape. They show how Colombian geography changed from the tropical forest to cold mountains. The conclusion, the five natural wonders uh, of my country, Colombia, the Caño Cristales River, Tayrona, the Amazon, Chicamocha Canyon, and Nevado del Ruiz, show how diversity and beautiful of Colombian truly is. We are very lucky to live in Colombian country. Uh, I want to uh, part thanks for my parents by he was possible that born here in this territory. Thanks.